Hello students, welcome to Listen and Learn Standard 9th English Bridge Course Activity 5. Students, often we go to public places like bus stand, railway station, airport, school, mall, market, etc. We need to follow many instructions and announcements at these places. In this activity, we are going to see how to respond to these announcements and follow the instructions. What you have to do? The most commonly used words at railway station and their definitions are given in two columns. You have to try to match words to their definition. Then you will listen to announcement very carefully and complete exercises based on the sample announcement. Okay. Try to answer by listening the announcements very carefully. If any help needed, ask to your teacher. See here, nowadays we are facing COVID outbreak. So here are some instructions. Use sanitizer frequently. Use mask properly. Do not touch your face. Do not touch any part of the mall unnecessarily. Do not throw any rubbish after using. Then activity 1, match the words and their definition. Attention, platform, depart, approximately, passengers. You have to match these words with their definition. See here. Attention, notice taken of someone. Platform, a raised level surface on which people or things can stand. Depart, leave. Approximately, roughly. Passengers, traveler. Then listen carefully to the announcement. Your attention please. Good morning to one and all. This is a platform for all passengers who are going to Aurangabad. Train number 1240 is delayed by approximately 10 minutes. The train will now depart. Concerned passengers for 1240 train to Aurangabad platform number 10. Passengers for 1240 to Aurangabad, please make your way to platform 10. You are requested to cover your mouth with masks. Use sanitizer to clean your hands. Please maintain proper social distance to avoid infection of COVID-19. Thank you. Happy journey. Now you have to solve task number 1. The passengers are waiting for 1220. Is this statement true or false? It's false because passengers are waiting for 1240. Train number 1240 is delayed for 10 minutes. Yes, now only we listened. Train number 1240 is delayed for 10 minutes. True. The passengers going to Pune by train? False. Passengers are going to Aurangabad. The announcement has been made at the airport? False. This announcement is made at the railway station. The announcement has been made to inform passengers to go to platform number 10? Yes. True. To platform number 10. Then task number 2. Tick the correct answer. The train number 1224 is going to, misprinted here. The train number 1240 is going to Aurangabad. Okay. यहाँ पर 1240 लेना है. The passengers are waiting for train number 1240. Passengers. The announcement is made by a passenger, train checker, railway controlling authority or railway police. The announcement is made by railway controlling authority. The announcement is made in the morning. Okay. Then which instruction is given by the railway controlling authority? Cover your mouth with mask. Next activity, task number 3. Circle the instructions given in the railway announcement. Which instructions are given in the announcement? You have to circle it. First one, do not eat too much before your journey. No, it's not given in the announcement. Cover your mouth with mask. Yes, it is given. Cover your mouth with mask. Sanitize your hands properly. It is also given. Beware of strangers. No, it's not given. Maintain proper social distance. It is told in the announcement. Please make your way to platform number 10. It is the announcement. Do not purchase anything from outsiders. No, it's not mentioned. Take care of precious things. No, it's not mentioned. Train number 1240 is delayed by approximately 10 minutes. Yes, it is mentioned. Means you have to circle second, third, fifth, sixth, and then last one, ninth. Okay. Next activity, as I have read here, an announcement at the railway station, in the same way you go on listening the announcements, and when you listen any announcement at bus station or at school, then complete the tasks, say true or false, tick the correct answer, circle the instructions given in the railway announcement on your own. Okay. Listen to the announcements of the bus stand and rewrite it in your own words. जैसा यहाँ पर रेलवे स्टेशन की अनाउंसमेंट हमने सुनी, उसी तरह से बस स्टैंड की सुनना है और उसे लिखकर निकालना है. सारे इंस्ट्रक्शंस जो आपको स्पोर्ट्स टीचर स्कूल में देते हैं वे भी लिखकर निकालने हैं. तो आज हमने क्या सीखा? हाउ टू गिव इंस्ट्रक्शन, which kind of sentence structure is used in instructions, and how to respond to given instructions. Okay, we shall meet with the next activity very soon. Thank you.